Hi, my name is Himsara Weerasinghe and I'm from Royal College, Colombo. I was able to obtain 85 marks for financial accounting, 86 marks for management accounting, and 84 marks for business and technology. Part of my success can be attributed to my own personal efforts along with the unwavering dedication of the lecture panel of onlineaccounting.lk. Firstly, I check the syllabus content properly, which help me identify the test areas which are commonly tested in the exam. And I practice questions using the ACCA Study Hub and the Kaplan exam kit. After a few weeks later, I reattempt the same questions over and over again in order to strengthen my knowledge. Also, the lectures at onlineaccounting.lk did around 5 exam papers which help me identify the patterns which are tested in the exam. So I prioritized the subject I found difficult the most and I made sure that I covered the syllabus on time in order to avoid last minute rushing. My advice to young ACCA aspirants is to truly understand the knowledge, not just for the sake of passing the exam, but because this may be useful for you if you're planning on embarking on your future career. And also you should make your own study plan and you should stay consistent with it. With the proper guidance from the onlineaccounting.lk team, high results will be definitely achievable. Thank you and good luck on your exam. And I must thank the lecturers at onlineaccounting.lk for their support and dedication throughout the entire process from the beginning to the end.
onlineaccounting.lk